Stand up straight. Let me get a look at you. What's so funny? Well, it's good to see you too.
They'll just have to be secretly in love, won't they? Hey, leave a comment below if you know what movie that's from. I'll give you one hint. It's the greatest movie ever made. Alright, comment down below. And let's get started baking. So we're going to start by sifting all of our dry ingredients into one bowl. You're going to need 3 bowls here. Dry ingredients, your wet ingredients, and then a bowl to whip your egg white in, okay, with your sugar. So have 3 clean bowls ready to go for this recipe here. Do your dishes. Don't leave them in the sink like I do. So if you've never had a mint Milano before, a basic deconstruction of it would be, it's basically a shortbreadish style cookie sandwiched around a nice creamy mint flavored chocolate filling. They are delicious. I will say mine, my homemade ones, kind of kick the pants off of the store-bought ones. Not kick the pants off of them in a rude way, but kick the pants off of them in the most considerate way you can kick the pants off something. I will say that these mint Milanos do pair well with a nice latte, or if you like coffee, drink coffee with them. But the nice minty sweetness of the mint Milano paired with some bitterness of coffee or latte, that's a match made in heaven. Or if you're not particularly religious and you don't believe in heaven, it's a match made in the Big Bang, or a match made in the nothingness, or whatever you believe in. It's a match made in the best possible part of that. Alright, so now that our cookies are all made and piped out, we're going to smooth those out with our finger. Put them in the oven, bake them for about 12 to 14 minutes until they're slightly browned around the edges, and then take those little golden girls out and get them ready for their chocolate filling. The first portion of the filling that you see me working on here is going to be the mint flavored, kind of creamy powdered sugar mixture here. This by itself tastes like the inside of a junior mint or York peppermint patty or something like that. I'll probably do a follow-up episode on homemade York peppermint patties or junior mints because this should not go unnoticed. This is a delicious little filling all by itself. But after you get that all mixed up, you're going to move on to making your dark chocolate mixture as well. Get that chocolate melted in the microwave and stir in your peppermint flavor. Get that poured into a sandwich bag and set both bags of filling aside for about 20 minutes or so just to let them cool down. You don't want to pipe your filling onto your cookies when they're overly hot, otherwise they're just going to run all over the place and be a big sloppy mess. Oh man, look at those. Aren't those looking cute? Very nice. Sandwich the matching sisters back together once you get all your filling piped on there, and look at how those lovely little ladies turn out. They are delicious. Give this recipe a try. Hey, subscribe and follow me for my next recipe. Thanks for watching.